me show you how I made this breakfast. So this morning was nothing fancy, just going to make up some bacon like I normally do, and I'm also going to show you what also goes on behind me while I'm making food. This is me just divvying out some of my Keto pancake mix that I'm trying for the first time, hoping that it's going to come out good. And you see me just putting it in the bowl there, which is the angle that you usually see, and I'm just trying to get the consistency right here. You see me adding in my egg, and then I'm going to add in some water to try to help that out a little bit as well. If you've seen that short pancake video that I made, I used a different brand of pancake mix, and I decided to just try this one out this time. And there you see me finally getting it right, and I think all I added in here was just some vanilla extract, and I added in some oil because it's going to be a waffle. Next, I'm just going to be getting out my mini dash, and right here behind me you see my daughter. She is taking bacon. And this is the angle that you usually see, which is just me loading up my mini dash. We're also having eggs, so I cracked about 4, and I think I just sat that to the side. Meanwhile, just turning on my skillet, and here's my daughter again, eating more bacon. And my first waffle is done. I got it put on a plate, and I'm just going to make about 3 more. Whipping up those eggs. Here I am just taking out my strawberries. This is what you usually see, and I'm going to be taking about 4 of these, dicing those up. This is what you see, and here's my baby. Isn't he so precious? He's also slobbering down a strawberry. Can you guess who's coming up next? Yep, she's taking a strawberry. Moving on to the eggs, I'm going to just scramble those up. I did those last because it takes no time. Here I am getting my waffles ready for my Instagram picture. Not realizing the baby formula was in the back. Here I am pouring on that syrup, and here's the picture. And there you go. If you've made it this far, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all your support, and follow for more.